there, Karnika here. Have you ever wondered what it's like to peek inside the mind of AI? Well, guess what? We are getting closer to understanding how AI really thinks. You've probably heard about how impressive large language models or LLMs like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude are. But have you ever wondered how they actually work? Today we're pulling back the curtains on these black boxes. And thanks to some groundbreaking research from Anthropic, we've got some fascinating insight to share. So you've been probably amazed by how these AI models generate such human-like text. But how do they do it? They're often called the black boxes because even the experts who built them don't exactly know what's going on between those hidden layers or how they work. Sounds pretty wild, right? For a long time, figuring out what goes inside these models have been a major challenge. This is super important because if we don't understand them, we cannot control them properly. And that leads to issues like biased or harmful outputs. But here's the exciting part. Olah and his team at Anthropic have made some real progress. They've been working on something called Mechanistic Interpretability to get a peek inside these models. Basically, they found a way to see which neurons are responsible for specific concepts. Now let's break down that a bit. Think of AI models as a network of neurons. Much like the human brain, the neurons light up in patterns when processing information. In our brains, this might mean recognizing a friend's face or solving a math problem. For AI, it's recognizing the patterns in data and generating responses. Anthropic teams used a technique called dictionary learning to map these patterns. They've identified features specific to patterns of neuron activation. Imagine neurons like letters of the alphabet. Alone, they don't mean much, but when you put them together, you get words and sentences. Similarly, these features can represent anything from burritos to complex ideas like biological weapons. For example, they found a feature linked to Golden Gate Bridge, which also lights up for related concepts such as Alcatraz and movie Vertigo. And it gets even better. The researchers found that they could actually change the model's behavior by tweaking these features. By turning up or down certain features, they could make the model more or less likely to produce specific outputs. For instance, cracking up the Golden Gate Bridge feature made the model constantly refer to the bridge, even in unrelated context. This research has huge implications for AI safety. By understanding and controlling these features, developers can now create robust guardrails against harmful behavior. We can fine-tune these models to avoid producing dangerous content while enhancing positive outputs. Anthropic is using this research to explore how we can detect and prevent behaviors like bias, deception, and even creating dangerous content. Anthropic's work is a big step forward in making AI more transparent and controllable. There is still a lot to learn, but this research is opening a new possibility for safer and more reliable AI. For details on this groundbreaking research, check out Anthropic paper linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.